Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is the top loader washing machine, Media Brain. Customer call me motor is not running. The main motor, wash motor. Let's see. Turn it on. See, it's making noisy only, but motor is not running. Dear viewers, at first, if it is problem same like this, at first you change the capacitor. See the capacitor. After capacitor change, or if capacitor okay also, if it is not okay, this then second reason is the main motor. So in here is main motor problem. So I changed the main motor. This is the old one. This need to remove. I change this head. Actually, it's happening for two reasons. First reason for capacitor. Second reason is for motor problem. So now here is faulty is motor. So I'll fix that. Then we will be back. So reverse after I change the new motor. Now I have to install the built only. So it's very easy and very simple. So I'll connect the wire, then we will be back. So I have connected everything. So now let's see final testing. How is it? So alhamdulillah viewers, it's working fine. Alhamdulillah.